Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your purchase limit inside Temu on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is head on over to temu.com. Once we're here, go ahead and sign into your account. So I'm going to continue as tutorial is here. Alright, so I am now signed into my account. Then from here, we need to click onto support. And then we'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Now from here, we want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and it will say still can't solve the problem. Go ahead and click on the contact us button. And now a little chat bubble will appear on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Go into customer service and then write something that sounds a bit like this. Can you please remove the minimum purchase limit? And then hit enter. And now they're going to reply back to you. If you accidentally click out of the chat, just go ahead and click on contact us like I did. And now they might get back to you saying something along the lines, we apologize for the inconvenience. There are many reasons for setting this limit, including environmental factors and trying to minimize our carbon footprint. If you still want to make a purchase, you can add 1 or 2 items for a friend or family member. Thank you for our understanding. And they also suggest to check out their local warehouse page where there is no minimum order amount and you can get faster delivery, which will help you get the items you need more quickly and avoid disrupting your plans. Thank you for understanding and support. So now this is the only way you can remove your purchase limit at this time of recording.